How simplified technical English can help organizations save time and cost. Simplified Technical English, or STE, is a controlled language standard that helps to improve readability and translatability of technical documentation. STE originates from the aerospace and defense industry and is a requirement for many aerospace and defense projects. Increasingly, companies in other technical industries such as automotive, machinery, electronics, telecommunications, and medical equipment adopt STE to reduce translation cost and improve translation quality. In terms of the applicability of STE, it was originally developed to maintain or to make maintenance documentation for aircraft and their components easier to understand for a global audience. Over time, the use of this specification was increasingly required for other types of manuals and also became mandatory for many defense projects, including land and sea vehicles, as well as weapon systems. The S1000D specification, that is similar to DITA, with further functionality for aerospace and defense industry, calls for any documentation in English to be written in STE. Although many types of documents can benefit from at least part of STE, it is not intended for oral communications, neither is it very suitable for marketing or legal documents. Now, how is STE different from company style guides, you may ask? Company style guides often include writing rules, company-specific terminology, as well as rules on formatting. STE includes a set of writing rules, guidelines on company-specific terminology that includes nouns and adjectives known as technical names, as well as general vocabulary. So when we're looking at STE, there are approximately 900 approved words that you could use in your technical writing content, as well as a large number of commonly used words that are to be avoided in simplified technical English. So the main difference between STE and the average corporate style guide, thus, is the addition of general vocabulary while providing technical writers with the flexibility of including and using their own company and industry-specific terminology. That is a very powerful concept in itself, because this greatly facilitates adaptation to company-specific requirements. As STE was developed by people from different companies, including, for example, Airbus and Boeing, countries, member representation from different countries like the US, Canada, as well as various European countries, and professional backgrounds that include writers, linguists, and engineers. So the rule set and vocabulary are rather well balanced, rather than to reflect the rules or the views, the rules and or preferences of a single person or a handful of people within the company. STE is actually a very balanced set of rules developed by a committee of different people from different backgrounds. Moreover, the rules and vocabulary are validated against actual content from highly relevant manuals. So since the development of the specification that started some 37 odd years ago, it has seen very regular updates, in part based on change requests from users in the field of technical writing. So the current release is issue 7. It was first published in 2017, and the new release is expected in May 2021. The specification is regularly updated and maintained by ASD, formerly ECMA, that stands for the Aerospace and Defense Industry Association of Europe.